Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, we tangled up here, but we filling up. That's alright. Can anybody guess where we're at? Hold on, let me zoom in. I-30 Dragway. But I ain't racing today. Today ain't a race day for all blue. Got to get the traction bars on first, but we'll record that too. All right. We're a little bit broke. All right. Shit. We got Logan taking the PSI out of his tires. What are you running here, buddy?
Looks to be about 12.
12. All right. Well, 12 psi on normal radials on actual all-terrains. All-terrains. Yeah. All right. He's about to run and see what he can do. All right. So now we got what looks to be second-gen Camaro, same body style as mine, with a fiberglass front clip. That's what it looks like at least. We'll see what he runs on this one. He has some pretty thick meats in the back, so it looks like it's quick.
Told him I got a 5.3 stage 2 cam, 373 gears. I lied my ass off. I think the OBS is running him.
What?
I think the OBS, the one behind me, he's gonna run him.
I don't give a shit. What's your number? What was the number?
It was 60 from last week.
60 again.
Nice. Yeah, so told that guy over there, the fucking Tahoe, that I've got a 5.3 stage 2 cam, 373 gears. That's what he's got. So I was like, oh, I want to match it. Yeah, no, I've got a 6.0 LQ9 stage 4 cam, full bolt-ons, headers, 410 gears, 14 bolt diff. He's got a 600-pound fucking speaker system back there, so I should blow the doors off him, hopefully, unless he was fucking lying his ass off. But that's also a pretty good possibility on that end. There's a Dodge 5.7 Hemi 4-door, like a 2016, that I'm going to call out after this, because he ran a 9.7. I ran a 9.1.4 last time, and I had backseat, tailgate, probably 300 pounds worth of stuff in the back, 2 sets of wheels, so it should be a lot lighter. I dropped the tires down to like 12-ish psi. Maybe I'll hook. We'll find out. Ooh. I get that set up right here. Well, I guess I'm going now. Fuck it. His ass. I smoked his ass, and I broke my fucking speedometer in the fucking run too. I don't know what the fuck that's about. I broke my speedometer.
What?
I broke my speedometer.
You did?
What'd I run?
You ran a 9.6.
Damn it.
Hey, that's still decent.
I can't hook.
I saw you spin it at the beginning.
Yeah.
I saw you spin it.
No, it was normal.
Oh, wait, you completely busted out your fucking...
Yeah, I had to, so I could fix that every time. tires even more.
Oh God.
I'll
Okay.
lower the tires down a little bit more.
Oh God. All right, boys. Well, here's the deal. All right, Logan is about to race this 5.7 Dodge truck. It's I think it's a 4-door. Is it a 4-door?
So what?
Is it a 4-door or extended
Yeah,
cab? It's a 4-door. All right, 4-door, 5.7 truck. It runs 973s around there. Here's Logan lowering his PSI on his radial so his tire can blow up. Dude, did you not bring your tailgate?
No.
You should have put your left your tailgate on. You need more weight.
Fuck that. Make sure it stays tight so his head doesn't fly off with the coals. Fuck it. Huh?
Make that man cry. You got the GoPro and everything.
Well, it's not mine. It's my buddy's. So he's like, I'm not that fast. Trust me, I'm not fast. Here in a 9.7, I just ran a 9.6, but I was spinning. I let some air out, so we'll hopefully hook better. I'll probably do a better burnout this time on the burnout pad this time, not the fucking water box because last time like a fucking idiot. Double balled me, what an asshole. Now say bye-bye. Holy shit, coming in a little fast. I was good. I still spun at the beginning, but it's fine. That's two dubs in a row. I need to start putting money on this. $2 here, $2 here. Applebee's. I don't know if it's Applebee's, but I got him. Got his ass.
You drove around him too.
Oh yeah, he got the hit on me too.
Yeah.
All right, this is it. Logan against the 5.7 truck.
Bang.
958 73. All right, Logan. Post-race interview for the Dodge. What happened?
Oh, he's on 50 pounds of boost. So.
The Dodge?
Yeah. Oh no.
No, the Dodge
Cummins.
truck. Oh, the Dodge
no.
truck.
Oh no, smoked his ass.
Out here on I-30 Dragway doing Yellow Belly videos.
Slow par, baby. I'm so fucking hyped. I hit him with a flasher. I had to hit him with the fucking flashers, bro. That was so disrespectful. I was sideways too. Fuck that. I would have got my butthole tickled. I could have ran that fucking that extended cab. That would be a good fucking rate. Or that 4-door. That would be a good race. He ran a 9.8. But I think he was like spinning a fuck. That's not CTSV. He was spinning a fuck ton. You see it?
He hit his ass with the flasher.
I had to, bro. Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it. And you can hear me in the video. I'm like, man, he hit it with the flasher.
right, fellas. Now we switched over. It's putting 12 psi.
That was at 8.
Oh, it was at 8.
It was at 8. That was too low.
Putting 12 in that mode. All right, fellas, I know there's really ominous lighting right now because it's trash and I'm just in the truck, but I forgot to film an outro. So the time is currently 10:36. We left the track. I'm gonna finish off the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It's a little bit different, my first track video ever. So let me know what y'all think. All right, guys, thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace.